Hello and welcome. For as long as humans have existed, we have been asking a fundamental question: what is the secret to a happy and fulfilling life? For centuries, philosophers, poets, and religious leaders have offered their wisdom on the subject. But today, we're turning to a new source for answers: science. In recent years, a field of study called positive psychology has emerged. It's dedicated to systematically studying what makes individuals and communities flourish, and it's revealing some surprising truths about what it really takes to achieve lasting happiness. One of the biggest discoveries is that happiness is not a single emotion, but a combination of several factors. Scientists have found that our well-being is influenced by a mix of our genetics, our life circumstances, and our intentional activities. While we can't change our genes or past, the good news is that a significant portion of our happiness is within our control. This means that we can actively cultivate habits and practices that measurably increase our sense of joy, purpose, and contentment. So, what are some of these key habits that science suggests we should be focusing on? A primary factor is social connection. Research consistently shows that strong relationships with family, friends, and community members are one of the most reliable predictors of happiness and longevity. Investing time and energy into building and maintaining these bonds is one of the best things we can do for our well-being. It's not just about having friends, it's about feeling connected, supported, and valued by the people in our lives. Another powerful tool for happiness is gratitude. The simple act of regularly acknowledging and appreciating the good things in our lives, no matter how small, has a profound effect on our mental state. Studies show that people who keep a gratitude journal or regularly express thanks are happier, more optimistic, and less prone to stress and anxiety. It shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have, rewiring our brains to look for the positive in any given situation. Furthermore, finding a sense of purpose and meaning in our lives is crucial. This can come from our work, hobbies, volunteering, or raising a family. When we feel like we are contributing to something larger than ourselves, it gives our lives direction and a deep sense of fulfillment. This isn't about finding one grand purpose, but about engaging in activities that are personally meaningful and align with our values. It's about feeling a sense of significance and making a difference. Finally, we cannot ignore the impact of physical well-being on our mental state. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and sufficient sleep are not just good for our bodies, they are essential for our minds. Exercise, in particular, releases endorphins and other neurotransmitters that act as natural mood boosters. Taking care of our physical health is a foundational step toward building a happier life, as the mind and body are intricately connected and rely on each other to function properly. The science of happiness is clear. A truly fulfilling life is not a result of luck or chance, but the product of intentional effort. By building strong relationships, practicing gratitude, finding purpose, and taking care of our bodies, we can all unlock the secrets to a happier existence. It's a journey, not a destination, and it's one that is well worth taking for our well-being. What are your thoughts on the science of happiness? Are there any habits that you find particularly effective in your own life? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing explorations into the human mind.